Hey Bill, having trouble? Fridge on the fritz, icebox isn't icy, cooler can't cool? Maybe there's some other issue and there's lots of built-up frost or condensation. Or maybe your fridge has just been beeping non-stop? These sorts of issues may occur if proper cleaning and maintenance wasn't done, and you may receive an error code. Luckily, some error codes can be resolved without service. Error codes are little number letter combinations that express some important information for maintenance and repair professionals. There are a few things you should know when it comes to error codes. Error codes are shown when the computer in your fridge finds something wrong with a specific component, like a sensor or a fan. A pretty common example is error 6C or error 13C. These errors refer to the ambient temperature and humidity sensors. If you've previously removed the doors on your fridge but failed to properly connect the wires, these sensors will not show up. The result is the fridge showing error 6C or 13C. Generally, error codes can fit into a few categories. For example, sensors, mechanical components, and computer issues. Sensors are usually things like thermometers or humidity detectors. These are needed for your refrigerator's brain to know how to best operate the mechanical components. Mechanical errors will represent problems with the parts that do the work in your fridge, the cooling elements, the heaters, the fans, etc. Computer errors can be a bit more complicated, but they are basically any internal problem with the computer logic of the fridge. The fridge stores these codes on its own internal computer, and a technician will be able to read them to help with repair. Technicians can use special diagnostic tools to pull the history of these codes to see what needs to be fixed. This makes the process much simpler, so Bill, please don't ever hesitate to contact a support professional. Older refrigerators might not display an error code you can easily interpret. It might look like a bit of random line segments are lit up, or like the panel is glitching. A technician will still be able to diagnose and repair these issues though. What if you're having an issue and there's no code? Sometimes you may not receive an error code at all, so it's also important to always pay attention to the sounds your fridge is making. If these sounds are especially loud, your fridge just might be trying to tell you something. To sum up, your fridge is one smart appliance. It can detect many of the issues that may occur during operation. These issues should be handled by a service technician. Don't try to fix them yourself. Error codes can happen because of problems with sensors, mechanical components, or computer issues. Error codes can be a big help to your service technician. When you request service, let the tech know about the error codes you've seen. Remember, sometimes you may not receive error codes, so always pay attention to the sounds your refrigerator makes. If the sounds are very loud or concerning, don't hesitate to request service. Your fridge has a lot of ways to tell you if it's having some issues, so keep an eye out and pay attention to ensure it keeps on working fine.